What's going on? Come with me on this tale where I tell you how I flipped $160 into $57,000 in 2 weeks. No, this story is not just a reason to flex. In fact, it's the complete opposite. I'm going to be teaching you guys about how this super risky and terrible form of trading, if you can even call it that, led me onto the path of sustainability in my trading today. Alright, so first of all, let me get you up to speed because I said I started with $160 and this clearly is not that. Now, I don't have the screenshots from when I was only at $160. If you don't believe me, that's on you. You're just gonna get on with the story. So, I took $160 and I gambled that onto Salesforce earnings. And that $160 turned into $3,000, an 1,875% return. I took the 3,000 and I put it into VMware earnings and Workday earnings, and that turned into $12,000. Alright, so now that you guys are up to speed and up to date, here is the $12,000 that I took from those other flips and I put it into Zoom earnings. Fast forward to after Zoom reported earnings, that $12,000 turned into $57,000 overnight. Now, this is the biggest gain that I have literally ever had in trading, and the ironic thing is that this gain came from when I literally didn't know anything at all, like literally anything. You can tell by what I'm saying, like I'm full porting all of these positions, I'm putting in my entire portfolio, terrible risk management, I was gambling on earnings, I literally didn't know anything. And because of that, literally it only took me 3 weeks to turn this $57,000 into only like $13,000. I lost it all gambling on Tesla. After this is when I knew that the way that I was trading was not sustainable, and that's when I started looking for different systems that were actually going to get me towards a path of consistent profitability. I tried trading support and resistance, I tried trading the moving averages when the RSI is super low, like all the things that you can think of, but the one true thing that actually gave me sustainability was learning about price action and how it relates to volume. On top of this, I put plenty of other rules into my trading to the point where I was so disciplined and so selective with my trades that then and only then was when my account started to see an upward equity curve finally. If you like people who are transparent and not afraid to show you their mistakes and talk about them so that you can learn from them too, then Flexin Financials is the place for you. I post daily stock market and trading tips every single day. You don't want to miss them. So make sure you share this video with a friend if you found it interesting or helpful or anything like that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.